In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my folders in Yahoo Mail. This guide will help you navigate through Yahoo Mail and locate your folders efficiently. Now, let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other you like. Once the browser is open, move to the search bar at the top. Type in Yahoo and hit enter. You will see various results, but the Yahoo homepage should be among the top links. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for accessing your email account securely and effectively. Next, click on the correct link that leads you to the Yahoo homepage. This is typically the first option that appears in your search results. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be directed to the Yahoo Mail interface. This step matters because it ensures that you are accessing the official site, safeguarding your account from potential phishing attempts. Now, if you are prompted to sign in, do so by entering your Yahoo email address and password. Once you've entered your login details, click the Sign In button. If this is your first time signing in from this device, you may need to complete additional verification steps. Signing in correctly is important because it gives you access to all your emails, folders, and settings in Yahoo Mail. After signing in, look at the column on the left side of your screen. This is where you will find your inbox, sent, and spam folders. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this sidebar as it contains the primary navigation for your email. Understanding the layout will streamline your email management experience. Next up, if the sidebar appears collapsed into small icons, you will need to hover your mouse over these icons to expand the menu. Alternatively, you can click the folder icon or menu arrow at the top left to pin the full text bar open. This action is crucial because it reveals all available folders, making it easier for you to navigate and find what you need without hassle. Now, scroll down past the default categories until you see the section header labeled Folders. This section typically appears below your primary inbox and other categories. Taking the time to find this header is essential as it is where your custom-created folders will be located, allowing you to organize your emails better. Then click the small arrow caret next to the word Folders to expand the list. When you do this, all your custom-created subfolders will drop down in alphabetical order. This is a vital step because it allows you to see all your organized folders at once, making it easier to locate specific emails or categories you have created. By following these steps, you will have successfully navigated Yahoo Mail to find your folders. Remember, understanding the layout and organization of your email can significantly improve your productivity and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Yahoo Mail with ease.